बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का पेपर जो SNGAD के लिए हुआ है उसको सॉल्व करेंगे और ये एक पास्ट पेपर है जो 2010 में लिया गया है। क्वेश्चन है हु वाज द पाकिस्तान youngest ever Microsoft certified professional who died at the age of 16 एंड आंसर है इसका आरफा करीम। Next question है who is the director of Saving Face, a Pakistani documentary film that won an Oscar award? And जवाब इसका शर्मीन उबैद चनाए। Question 3 the Pisatris Islands are located in which strait? And जवाब है इसका Taiwan Strait. Question 4 which sea is bordered by the Ukraine on the north, Russia on the east, and the Crimean Peninsula on the west and is connected to the Black Sea on the south? और जवाब है इसका the Sea of Azov. Question 5 what is the capital of Tunisia? जवाब है इसका Tunis. Question 6 what is the currency of the Honduras? और इसकी जो करेंसी है वो है लेम्पेरा. Question 7 है what is the name of the sea located just north of the Mediterranean between Italy and Greece that is the origin of the famous myth? और जवाब है इसका Ionian Sea. Question 8 है what is the highest military award of Russia? और highest military award जो है वो Hero of Russian Federation है. Question 9 है the Prime Minister Gilani was found the guilty of contempt of court. What was his sentence? And that is 32nd. Question 10 who is the chief of the ISI current? और current जो है वो आसिम मुनीर है 2024 में. Question है where will the 2024 Olympic game be held? And it is held in Paris. Question 12 है which party was in power in the UK when the India got independence? इन उस टाइम जो पार्टी थी वो लेबर पार्टी थी पावर में. Question 13 on the basis of which report did the British Parliament pass the Government of India Act 1935? जवाब है इसका Joint Select Committee of the British Parliament report. Question 14 the document containing the proposals for a new constitution of India was called what? और जवाब है इसका White Paper. Question 15 the Act of 1935 abolished the arche at the provincial level and introduced it at which level? और इसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था सेंट्रल लेवल पे. क्वेश्चन 16 है हाउ ओल्ड इज द अर्थ? एंड अर्थ की जो लाइफ है वो 4.6 बिलियन है. क्वेश्चन 17 है इन विच ईयर वाज द टाइटल द गवर्नर जनरल चेंज टू द वसराय? और ये टाइटल चेंज हुआ है 1858 AD में. है हु वाज द फर्स्ट इंग्लिशमैन टू प्रिसाइड ओवर अ कांग्रेस सेशन? और जवाब है इसका द जॉर्ज यॉली. क्वेश्चन 19 द विच मोमेंट रिफ्लेक्टेड द स्पिरिट ऑफ द हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी? और ये मोमेंट जो है खिलाफत मोमेंट है. क्वेश्चन 20 द हु कन्वेंड अ मीटिंग ऑफ द मुस्लिम लीडर टू डिस्कस द पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ द मुस्लिम पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इन इंडिया? और जवाब है इसका नवाब सलीमुल्लाह खान. क्वेश्चन 21 है हु वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग? और जवाब है इसका सर आगा खान वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. क्वेश्चन 22 इन विच ईयर वाज द फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन कलकत्ता? फोर्ट विलियम कॉलेज कलकत्ता जो है वो 1800 में एस्टैब्लिश्ड हुआ. क्वेश्चन 23 व्हाई डिड द गांधी स्टार्ट द डांडी मार्च? जवाब है इसका टू ब्रेक द साल्ट लॉ. Question 24 in which year did the third crusade began? and third crusade जो है या सुलीबी जंग जो है वो 1189 AD में स्टार्ट हुई थी. Question 25 in which year did the चंगेज खान die? इन चंगेज खान की जो फौतगी है वो 1227 AD में हुई है. Question 26 which Indian Council Act proved to be a landmark in the constitutional history of India? और जवाब है इसका इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट ऑफ 1861. Question 27 the Memphis, Tennessee is a city where the blue gospel and the rock and roll were found. Did which river does this city border? और जवाब है इसका मिसिसिपी रिवर. Question 28. The city of the Paris lies in which river? And it lies in Seine River. Question 29. What is the name of the bridge that spans across the mouth of the Seine River? और जवाब है इसका Pont de Normandie. Question 30. On the recommendation of the Rowlatt Committee, which act was enacted? इन जवाब है इसका The Anarchical and the Revolutionary Crime Act, Revolt Act. Question 31. The Government of India Act 1919 was based on which report? And it's based on Montagu-Chelmsford report. Question 32. A number which consists of 20 plus 20% of its value is what? इन जवाब जो इसका बनता है कैलकुलेशन के बाद 25 है. Question 33. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour end of clock when the time is 8:30? तो इसका जो एंगल बनता है वो 75 है. Question 34. RS 1581 is divided among the A and B and C in the ratio 10, 15 and 6. What is the share of the B? तो B का जो शेयर बनता है वो 765 है. Question 35. The Sudan observe its Independence Day every year on which date? और ये सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इंडिपेंडेंस डे 1 जनवरी को. Question 36. The Nile River is one of the 4 noticeably large rivers that flow north, and what lake supplies the water for the massive river? और जवाब है इसका लेक विक्टोरिया. Question 37. What is the largest lake in Australia? And correct answer है इसका लेक Erie. Question 38. Who is the Daniel Ortega? और जवाब है इसका the president of Nicaragua. Question 39. Which of the following country is a landlocked country? और जवाब है इसमें Uganda. Question 40. Name the women tennis player who won the Australian Open 2012. और जवाब है इसका the Victoria Azarenka. Question 41. The one which date is World Press Freedom Day observed? और World Press Freedom Day जो है वो 3 मई को सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. Question 42. What is the capital of Kyrgyzstan? और जवाब है इसका Bishkek. Question 43. When did the National Assembly adopt a resolution seeking the formation of the new province in Pakistan? और इसमें जो ऑप्शन मौजूद था वो 31 अप्रैल 2012 था, एंड करेक्शन इसमें यह है कि इट शुड बी 31 मई 2012 है. वो 31 मई 2012 है, 31 अप्रैल नहीं है, क्योंकि 31 अप्रैल नहीं होता, 30 डेज होते हैं. Question 44. On which date is an anti-tobacco day is observed? और जवाब है इसका 31 मई. Question 45. What is the Roman numeral for the number 100? और इसके लिए 100 के लिए जो रोमन न्यूमरल है वो C है. Question 46. The Duma is the parliament of which country? और ये पार्लियामेंट है रशिया का. Question 47. In the Greek mythology, how many heads did Cerberus, the dog who guarded the entrance to head have? And जवाब है इसका 3. Question 48. Name the Nazi leader known as the Butcher of Lion. और जवाब है इसका Klaus Barbie. Question 49. What do you call the hybrid offspring of the female tiger and the male lion? तो इसको लैंगर कहेंगे. Question 50. Which is the smallest member of the camel family? और जवाब है इसका Vicuna. Question 51. The salty seas and the ocean covers what percentage of the earth's surface? तो it's covered 70%. Question 52. Name the crocodile in Disney Peter Pan. इन जवाब है इसका TikTok. Question 53. What was the name of the artist who recently painted a controversial portrait of the Queen Elizabeth II of the Great Britain? और जवाब है इसका Lucian Freud. Question 54. How many legs does an adult butterfly have? और जवाब है इसका 6. Question 55. Who wrote the massive book titled The History of the Decline and the Fall of the Roman Empire? और जवाब है इसका Edward Gibbon. Question 56. Which of the following is the river in Poland? और इस रिवर का जो नाम है वो वार्टा है या वार्ता. Question 57. Which animal harms the penguin by rocking the floating chunks of ice on which the penguin are resting so they slip into the sea? In जवाब है इसका the leopard seal. Question 58. The word does this picky sea creature called the sea urchin mainly fed on? और जवाब है इसका seaweed. Question 59. The female mosquitoes lives by the sucking blood from animals and can pass on the deadly disease malaria. What does the male mosquito feed on? तो जवाब है इसका nectar. Question 60. Who wrote the book A Tale of Job? जवाब है इसका the Jonathan Swift. Question 61. The which pass connect the Dara Ismail Khan with the Ghazni, Afghanistan. और जवाब है इसका गोमल पास. Question 62. The Manchar Lake is found in which district of Pakistan? And is found in the Dadu district. Question 63. The Chashma nuclear power plant was built with the help of which country? Or with the help of China है ये. Question 64. When was the Indus Water Treaty signed? और ये साइन हुई है 19 सितंबर 1960 में. Question 65. What is the length of the M8 motorway which runs from the Rotodero to Gawadar? और जवाब है इसका 895 किलोमीटर. Question 66. Which of the following is the longest motorway in Pakistan? और longest जो है वो M8 है. Question 67. The Baba Farid Shakarganj was the first poet of which language? And ये पंजाबी लैंग्वेज का पहला शायर है. Question 68. The Amir Khusro was the first poet of which language? अमीर खुसरो जो है वो उर्दू का पहला शायर है. Question 69. Which of the hottest place in the Pakistan with the record temperature of 126 Fahrenheit? और जवाब है इसका जैकबाबाद. Question 70. Which area in Pakistan has the lowest rainfall? और जवाब है इसका थर्ड डेजर्ट. Question 71. The urine of the diabetes patient contain more than the average quantity of which substance? और जवाब है sugar. Question 72. A form of heart disease in which the blood supply to the heart is inadequate is known as what? और जवाब है इसका angina. Question 73. The contemporaries of the Shakespeare included which of the following? और जवाब है इसका अकबर द ग्रेट, Elizabeth I, Louis, and all of the above. इसका जवाब बनता है. Question 74. The word does modus operandi mean? और इसका मतलब है the way things operate. Question 75. The heart attack is caused due to the which condition? और जवाब है इसका due to the cholesterol. Question 76. The which disease poses a serious threat worldwide? और serious threat जो है वो AIDS है. Question 77. Who was the first Syrian in space? और जवाब है इसका मोहम्मद फारिस. Question 78. Who was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in Economics? और जवाब है इसका Amartya Sen. Question 79. Which is the longest railway line in the world? और जवाब है इसका the Trans-Siberian Railway. Question 80. The planetary wind are those which have what characteristic? और आंसर है इसका the never change their direction. ये हमने डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं करते. Question 81. The heavier silicates named Sima silicate plus magnesium are the mostly abundant on which part of the earth? और ये ज्यादातर पाए जाते हैं ocean floors में. Question 82. The which region of the world is the most thickly populated? और ज्यादा जो populated है वो South Asia है. Question 83. The which gas is most predominant in the sun? और जवाब है इसका hydrogen. Question 84. Name the first person to the sail around the world, discovered the Magellan Strait, reached the Philippines and named the Pacific Ocean. और इस बंदे का नाम जो है वो Ferdinand Magellan है. Question 85. What is the study of the nutrition called? और इसको कहते हैं trophology. Question 86. What is the meaning of the propagate? और इसकी मानी है spread या फैलाव. Question 87 है who was the first Muslim chief of the Air Force in Pakistan? और इसका जो नाम है वो Air Marshal Azhar Khan है. Question 88. Where did the Turkish tribe create the Ottoman Empire? और इसको बनाया था क्रिएट किया गया था अनातोलिया में. Question 89. The 1 nautical mile per hour is equal to how many knots? And it is equal to 1 knot. Question 90 है a man take 50 minutes to cover a certain distance at a speed of 6 km per hour. If he walk at 10 km per hour, how long does he take to cover the same distance? इस distance को वो दोबारा 30 minutes में करेगा. Question 91 है, the Mr. Aslam ordered a car worth 6 lakh and was given a discount given that his paid Rs 5,70,000 for his new car. Calculate the percentage discount he received. और इसमें जो उसने डिस्काउंट रिसीव किया है वो 5% है. Question 92, the headquarters of the International Financial Services London IFSL is located in which country? And जवाब है इसका UK. Question 93, which of the following is not associated with the UNO? और जवाब है इसका ASEAN. Question 94, who wrote the Transfer of Power in India? और इसका जो अतर है वो VP मेनन है. Question 95, the sole spokesman Jinnah, the Muslim League and the demand for the Pakistan is written by whom? और जवाब है इसका आयशा जलाल. ये क्वेश्चन बार बार हर पेपर में रिपीट होता है. Question 96, who is the author of the India Wins Freedom? और जवाब है इसका मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद. Question 97, who was the first Saudi in space? और जवाब है का सुल्तान सलमान अल सऊद. Question 98, the amnesia is related to what condition? और जवाब है इसका loss of memory. Question 99, where was the session of the Muslim League held when the resolution demanding the creation of Pakistan was passed? और ये सेशन हुआ है लाहौर में. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इस पेपर का, which country is the largest producer of wool? और जवाब है इसका चाइना.